are prepared to break the silence, I'll be out in the sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up.
Welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that is optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic markets. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, try to subscribe, try to turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to share and like so that YouTube will show you a very large audience. I don't upload video anyhow, but it seems that a lot of people have blown their account in recent times, and a lot of people have quitted trading in the past many years. But the essence of WINFXTRADING is to actually encourage and reactivate people so that they can make a living trading. It's all about investment, and it's all about having the right investment education. So that's by the way. Currently we are subscribing people on the VIP signal services because a lot of people have watched a lot of videos, they have done a lot of things, read a lot of books, but there is this idol, there is this failure, they keep losing despite all this. That's why you should join our VIP to enjoy money. But that's by the way. In today's topic we shall be discussing about this V75 indicator setup gives you plus 10,000 pips. Take a $5 to $5,000 plus very fast, or just fast. That's what is here. Well, let's put very fast to make it more realistic. Very fast. Okay, so I'm going to take you to the chart so that you will see how this really works. These are a bunch of assets, but we are talking about Volatility 75 index because it is very lucrative. It's the asset that can make you rich overnight. So you see, this is the indicators. These are the indicators. Let me use an object to explain this carefully to you. You see, okay, the black one is EMA, or exponential moving average 200. The yellow one is exponential or EMA 100, while the red one is EMA or exponential moving average 50, and the green one is exponential moving average 20. Then the time frame on Volatility 75 index, check out the time frame is H1. Remember, I'm shooting this video on a laptop based MT5, so you should actually comment in the comment section or join my Telegram channel if you don't know how to do this on your mobile phone. I'm going to help you out to do that. Okay, that's cool. So right now I have explained the time frame to be H1 and the moving averages, their values, but if you don't know the settings, what's in it here is I don't want to start afresh. I'm going to just tell you, just go to insert. When you come to insert, you will see indicators, you will see trend, you will see moving average. You open this. When you open it, this is where you put the value. You put the value here, 50 or 100 or 200 or 20, 50, 100 and 200. Then you select the method to be exponential here and you apply it to close. Then you not vary the color as I have explained it here. Then you select line. Yeah, make sure select line and make sure the thickness is this or this, okay, or you combine, vary the thickness so that you understand it carefully. Okay, so that's by the way, I don't need to repeat this, I've already done it. This indicator setup is very powerful, it's very strong. We shall be using the black moving average 200 for the trend. We use it to detect the trend. Make sure you are in H1. You use the moving average 200 to detect the trend. Whenever the price action is above moving average 200, then it is uptrend. Then how do you make an entry? Remember, this strategy actually is going to be a scalping strategy. Any indicator strategy is a scalping strategy because indicators signals doesn't last. Okay, so I'm going to go and update the topic so that you will understand it. Okay, this V75 indicator setup gives you plus 10,000 pips. Scalp, okay, take $5 to $5,000 plus very fast. Scalping, because it should be let me just put it, this V75 indicator set of scalping strategy is a scalping strategy because its indicator, the signals can never last. It's a scalping strategy. Okay, that's cool. If you want a strategy for a long time, like you want to be a positional trader, in which your trade will last and profit for long, then you have to enroll for my V75 millionaire course and your life will change ever. So let's continue. How do you make an entry? First of all, you use the moving average 200 to know the trend. So when the price action is above the moving average 200, the trend is automatically upwards. It's not going to change. Now look at what you are going to do. Wait for a retest to these three, any of these two moving averages. Like inside the three moving averages, wait for a test to either two of the moving averages or all of them. What I mean is, apart from the dynamic trend line moving average, which is a moving average 200, wait for a test on moving average, either of moving average 20 and 50, or any of the combination, any of the permutation, or all of them, like where moving average 20, moving average 50 and moving average 100 meet or cross each other, then you can buy because the market is uptrend. Like here, the price action reacts to moving average 20 and then moving average 100. This is the buy signal. Once you have got up to 10,000 pips close, because remember this is H1. Imagine you take an entry here. This is, if you check it, you have made, oh my goodness, this is over 51,000 pips. Okay, it's a very strong powerful strategy. It's almost equivalent to price action, but I will not tell you how to place your stop loss. I will not tell you how to take your profit. You have to enroll for V75 millionaire course if you are really serious to be a successful trader, because you know our course is more than just teaching. It's all about discipling. I don't know how to put it. It's all about discipleship in forex market, because we are going to inculcate this trading lifestyle, that kind of life, you know, because you can't just become a successful trader when you don't have a character, when you don't know this discipline of trading. It will not be too long, you will collapse. So there are a lot of things that will be socially inculcated into your mindset. It will build your psychology to become a consistent forex or synthetic trader. Okay, So go there and enroll for V75 millionaire course. Check the description of this video, you will see the course list. V75 millionaire course is there, you see the price and all of that. So how do you make a sell entry? How do you make a sell entry? Then you actually, how do you make a sell entry with this strategy? Now watch, you are going to, like, you are looking for a price action running below the moving average 200. That is what you are looking for, definitely. Okay, now how do you make an entry in this type of market? See, once the price action is going below the moving average 200, then you are waiting for price just like this. You see the price is going below here, it's going below the moving average. Like if you shake, if you go back in history, if you are following the market, you discover that right from here all the way from here down here, the price is actually below moving average 200. Then you wait for a test to moving average 20 and another moving average that is not 200. Okay, so you wait for a test to moving average 20 and red, or moving or all the three moving averages, because this is a permutation process, like 1, 2, 3. That is the blue, the green, the red and yellow. If they cross on the price here to it, you are going to sell. I'm not teaching you how to put your take profit and put your stop loss, okay, because this is a celebrity video. If you need the rating, then enroll for the course. Or if you're tired of learning and watching video, join VIP Signal group to change your life overnight. You see, I will not talk about the retest to the moving average 200 because it will make the strategy complicated. Price, or let me put it this way, if anytime price react to moving average 200, just make an entry. If the price has been below moving average 200 in the past and the retest it, you can make an entry. You can make an entry so long that the market is not over traded. Let's say if it is below them, if it has been below the moving average 200, then if it is not oversold, then you don't have to sell. Then if it is above the moving average 200, like this, like here, like this area, and is not overbought, then you buy if it retests this moving average 200. That's why I don't want to talk about moving average 200 retest, because it's going to make the whole process complicated. Thank you for watching. Join my VIP today and change your life. There's not much to talk. Enroll for my courses and your life will change. Bye for now. Thank you.
If you're prepared